Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to log in into the McDonald's application on your mobile device. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your McDonald's application just like that and click on the more icon on the bottom right of your screen. And there's going to be a login screen right over here. As you can see, once you click on the more icon, click on the sign in button up top. And as you can see, you can either continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, your Google, your email. So simply go ahead and tap on any of those. Simply go ahead and enter your email, click on go, and then you will need to enter your password and you'll be logged in. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.